The first step for transferring your pattern onto the fabric is to prep your design template by cutting it out into a circular shape that will fit inside your hoop. Now flip your hoop over and then position your template so that it is where you'd like it to be. Normally this would be in the center facing up. So the top of your template would be facing up towards the closure of your hoop. Once you've got it in place, the next step is to actually secure it to your fabric so that it doesn't move around when you're tracing it. So I just use some clear tape and I tape it at about 4 places so that it's held down nice and securely. You could use pins instead. Now we're ready to move to the tracing step.